Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to withdraw funds from your SafePal wallet to your bank account in 2025. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a look at the currencies you can withdraw from your SafePal wallet. This includes popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. First, ensure you verify your identity and bank details on the SafePal app. Having this information ready will streamline your withdrawal process. Now, let's go through the steps to initiate a withdrawal request. Open your app, navigate to the withdrawal section, and fill in the necessary information. It's crucial to understand the fees involved and how long the processing will take, which can vary depending on the currency you're using. Once you've submitted your request, you can easily monitor your withdrawal status in the SafePal Wallet app. If you encounter issues during withdrawal, common problems include incorrect bank details or app errors. Let's review how to tackle these. To ensure a smooth experience, keep your app updated, double-check your bank details, and be aware of the withdrawal limits. To recap, always verify your identity, understand the fees, and monitor your withdrawal status to have a successful experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and updates on managing your cryptocurrency safely.